Try not to let this thing fly out. I put some, what do they call it? C something? Can't remember it. Trying to clean it out. It's idling better now. Alright, one more go. The fish finder is not working quite right. It's got looks like a big burn spot in the middle of it where it's not showing up any graph. And so I'm gonna have to get a new fish finder sometime. And then my fuel line was pretty bad. It's just gotten brittle, so the bulb. So I need to get another one of those. But now it's supposed to be a cold snap tomorrow, so I got my boat got out for its one joyride a year. I put about 6 gallons in it, so I need to burn that off, and then I don't know. I tried fishing just a little bit, but I kind of want to get back before dark. So anyway, pretty peaceful tonight. It was almost like 70 degrees today. There was actually a snake in the water over there. I tried to put a kill guard on the boat and it came off again, which sucks. Look at that little sliver of sun. All right, I'm gonna go get the truck.